What's the meaning of cecum? Cecum. Cecum.
Cecum. Cecum. The cecum is a pouch-like structure that is part of the large intestine in humans and other mammals. It is located at the junction of the small and large intestines, and its function is to absorb fluids and salts from digested food before it moves into the colon. The cecum also houses microorganisms that help break down cellulose and other plant materials. In some animals, such as rabbits and rodents, the cecum is very large and plays a more significant role in digestion. However, in humans, the cecum is relatively small and has limited physiological importance.